Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to turn on sound effects on the application of Duolingo. You will go to Duolingo app. In this page, you will choose and you will enter. Here in this page, you will click about sign on settings. After that, we click on preferences. Here in this page, you will find a sign like this. Then we click, as you see. You just change the color, then you can now have some sound effects on the application of Duolingo. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.